How to contact Lalal.ai support. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage where you will find the footer section. In the footer, look for the support option under the Explore section and click on it. This will take you to the Lalal.ai support page where you can get help. On this page, you can directly email support@lalal.ai with your query. Make sure to fill in the required details and clearly describe your problem before sending the email. Wait for a reply for the Lalal.ai support team via email or the contact method you used. You can also explore the help section on the support page where you will find guides, facts, and other resources to help solve common issues. And that's it. Now you know how to contact Lalal.ai support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.